Neil Magny had to go down against Carlos Pratis, and I'm really looking forward to this fight. Carlos Pratis is on a roll right now, Muay Thai expert, and Neil Magny is a very, very durable fighter, very long. Well, he has significant reach advantage, but there is one thing that scares the shit out of me, and that's Carlos Pratis' power. His power is simply off the rails. He destroys everybody inside the Muay Thai clinch, and his Muay Thai clinch is literally out of this world. While I believe Neil Magny might have the advantage when it comes to long-range bombs and big right hands, I'm pretty confident that Pratis is having better knees, better kicks, and better strike power. So, despite I'm a big fan of Neil Magny, I don't give him much of a chances, and I'm confident Carlos Pratis might actually get the job done here. Magny is tough too. I'm unsure whether he's gonna get finished or not, but I believe Carlos Pratis wins this one.